Alright, so today I want to look at the Gutta-Buddy. It's a leaf catcher for the 80mm downpipe. It's quite a handy and essential part of your rainwater harvesting. So let's have a look. Alright, so this is a look at it. Okay, so that's basically what we're looking at. It's connected to the other part of the wherever your rainwater pipe is going to be going, or down pipe. So basically water from the gutter will be going in here via a down pipe, and then of course this is just a nice way of catching all those leaves and whatever else that comes off your roof and your gutters, and made it actually nice, because then you don't have all this stuff going into your tanks and stuff like that. But yeah, it's a nice way of, you just unclip it as well whenever it gets dirty. So as I was saying, you take it out and then you basically can clean it, and then you can basically clap it back in. And yeah, it's very I believe this is a essential part of your installation when you do rainwater harvesting.